Hello everyone, Greg here. I hope this video finds you happy and healthy today. Now yesterday I pressure washed half of my driveway, and as I was doing it I was thinking I should be documenting this so that y'all can watch a time lapse of the pressure washing job that I'm doing. So I thought it would be fun to just kind of watch me wash my driveway with a pressure washer. So I've got my pressure washer, I've got my cooling rag that my wife gave me that wraps over my neck like this. I've got my tripod and I've got my phone right here. I'm just gonna put it on time lapse and just let it go. Just let it go. So without further ado, let's get started. It always does that. Also, I'm going barefoot today because as I found out, if I wear shoes, they just get all dirty and wet and everything. So I'm just gonna go barefoot on this hot sun. Ah, geez, this is hot. It's hot. All right, so that's just the first little bit that I did here. I'm gonna bounce the camera around a bunch of times to give you some better views of all this. All right, now I thought I would show you what it looks like in regular time. Cleaning this, it's a little bit different. As you can see, it's a very time-consuming process, and there are tools that'll help you do it a little bit faster. I've got this circular disc thing that spins around. You put the you put this on the end of it, and it just spins it really fast. But the problem with that is it doesn't do as good of a job as just getting right down on it and just hammering it. So, all right, got to get back to it. Thought I'd show you guys this in real time. There's an ant mound right over there and all the way down. Sorry guys, but you're about to get a little hurricane action. We will rebuild. We will rebuild. You know they will. And there's some more right here. So long. Yeah, I know, they'll come back. Well, that about does it for this one concrete panel, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. But I guess now I gotta rinse all this off. All right, I think that's gonna do it for today. I am so hot and the sun is just like blazing down on me right now. I think I'm gonna call it a day, but I will be back to finish this tomorrow, the day after, however many days it takes. One last thing to do, Gotta get rid of the G. It was an ugly G anyways. One last look at the finished, rinsed off product. Whew, that represents, I guess maybe 2 hours? I haven't looked at the clock yet. Okay, so day 2, I'm back at it again. It's a lot of work. It's just so hot out here, like no shade at all, and the sun is just beating down on me like crazy.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you. It's hot in Florida. So hot. That's one more down. I've only got this left, and that's a big puddle right there. Well, this one is nice and clean now. Love my big puddle right there. Kind of makes it hard to clean that area. All right, well, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, but I still have a little bit left over here to do for the next part of the video. So wait a few seconds and that'll show up next. Well, here I am back for day 3. There's literally no clouds in the sky. I know I'm gonna get cooked today, but I gotta get this finished. I can't hold off any longer. I gotta get it done. And I figure I've bored you enough with all the cleaning, so this time I'm just gonna do one long montage. Hopefully my camera phone will hold out battery-wise and temperature-wise, because the phone has been getting hot as well. So let's see how it goes. I've already sweeped out all the dirt that had collected in that puddle of water. That was yesterday. As you can see, thanks to the Florida weather, that water it's all evaporated already. So while I was out there cleaning, I could feel my ears cooking, and I realized that I didn't put any sunscreen, so I'm like wiping sunscreen and try to put it on my ears. But then I thought, I got an envelope here. Let me just make a makeshift ear cover thing here, and I think it's going to catch on. I think more people are going to start doing this now. Okay, well, aside from that giant puddle, which will probably evaporate in about 10 minutes in this Florida sun, I think I'm pretty much done here. All right, so I'm back for one last look at the driveway. The puddle has finally dried up and I've dug it all out, so it's looking pretty good. And the whole driveway is looking really good too, and I think the ants are happy that, I'm not bothering them anymore because I can see them rebuilding their homes. So anyway, if your driveway is looking kind of dingy, you might want to consider pressure washing it because it really makes a huge difference. And I think it'll increase your home values too. Hope you all have a great day and that you stay safe and happy and healthy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.